Ever found yourself short on cash at the grocery store but still need to bag those essentials? Today, we're diving into how GCredit can be your financial lifesaver for your grocery runs. First things first, to use GCredit, you'll need to activate it within your GCash app. Look for the GCredit icon, simply tap it, and follow the on-screen prompts to activate your credit line. It's quick and easy. Once activated, you'll be assigned a GCredit limit. This is the maximum amount you can borrow. Make sure you understand your limit before you start shopping so you can plan your purchases accordingly. Now for the payment at your favorite grocery store. Look for the GCash QR code. Open your GCash app, tap Pay QR, scan the code, enter the amount, select GCredit as your payment method, and confirm. It's that simple. In some cases, the merchant might have another GCash payment option, so just follow their lead to process your payment using GCredit. You'll receive an instant confirmation of your successful transaction. But the journey doesn't end there. Repaying your GCredit on time is crucial for maintaining a good credit standing within the GCash ecosystem. This ensures you can continue to access GCredit whenever you need it. To repay, simply go back to your GCredit section in the GCash app, and you'll see your outstanding balance and repayment options. You can pay through your GCash wallet or other linked accounts. By understanding and using GCredit responsibly, you're not just paying for groceries. You're building a reliable financial tool within the GCash family. Happy shopping, secured by GCash and GCredit.